Hello, my name is Amrita and I am from Bhopal. Basically, I am a housemaker, but I completed my study in as a accounts honors and how means digital. I want to do something in my life after means actually I pass out in 2009. After that, I did the teaching job. I means prepare myself for the government exam and all. So when I was in the lockdown time, when I searching for the courses, so that time I was free in my home. So I searched so many courses, and there was a digital marketing was flashing every time, everywhere in Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. So I tried the means foundation course of some of the other means institute and all. Then after one day, I found that Digital Vidya, and luckily my brother was also a student of Digital Vidya, and he suggested me that you go for Digital Vidya, not any other institute. So I immediately within 2 days I joined Digital Vidya. After joining the Digital Vidya, first time when it was first day, I was very scared that it is complete different field for me. So I am from the accounts backgrounds and suddenly I'm jumping to the digital marketing. So something was going in my mind that coding will be there and so many things means the new things when we start na, means so many question will arrive. So when I joined first day, that was a email marketing with the Priyas Nigam sir. So digital Vidya trainer are so good and so supportive as well. Coordinator also means what I will say. What a very less for me for digital Vidya. It was a very great experience with the digital Vidya. I did the two internship with the social media marketing and the search engine optimization. That was also good. The best thing in digital Vidya that I that PPT file PPT that is present on my LMS and recording is available, and the assessment I did so many practical things with this. And during the Google HubSpot or Google certification time, I went through only the PPT and the recording. It was a great help actually. I love to learn here means now I can say that the digital I can go with the digital marketing. I can choose my career as a digital marketer.